G'day, it's Colin from Worth. Today I want to talk to you about our new MCUBE vacuum cleaner. As you can see, the vacuum is nice and compact. It is extremely lightweight and it has a shoulder strap so you can carry it in with all your other tools. It has a vacuum function, of course, but it also has a blowing function. So to change the vacuum to a blower, you simply remove the vacuum hose. By pushing this button, that part comes out, and remove that. Then I'll turn it around so you can see. But on the back here, you remove this filter cover, and then you insert the other end of the hose, like so. Then simply start the vacuum, or the blower in this case, and blow it away. The new MCUBE vacuum cleaner is part of the Worth MCUBE range and therefore takes the standard MCUBE battery. You simply slide the battery in and lock it in place. The vacuum cleaner comes with two modes, an eco mode for longer battery life and a max mode for those heavier applications. Maintenance on the vacuum cleaner is very simple. Worth has thought of everything. When it comes to sucking up fine dust, it can clog the filter. So what Worth have done is they've added this button on top, which you tap 5 times quickly. That'll redirect the air through the filter and clear it. You have to have the vacuum cleaner on max to do this. So let's see how that happens. So to change the bag in the vacuum, it's very simple. There's 2 levers on either side. We lift those up and we just lift the top off. Now the bag's underneath. We just pull it off. Now when replacing the bag, you'll see there's some holes and they line up on some dowels in here. So we just put it on the dowels, then we turn the unit back up the right way and we place it on. The new Worth MCUBE vacuum cleaner. Perfect solution for those on-site jobs where you have to clean up. Now don't forget to like our page and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.